Hey guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can turn off my AI on Snapchat, or let's say remove Snapchat my AI. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So if you have any problems or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your Snapchat app and log in with your account. Once you do that, go to chats and just choose your my AI. So long press on my AI and now you'll see a lot of things. Now go to chats and notification settings. So there is no any, let's say, inbuilt function or inbuilt option to remove AI, but instead what you can do is you can clear it from your feed. So just press on clear from chat feed, press on clear. Now you can see the AI is gone. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.